guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke and I want to share with you a 1991 Volkswagen Microbus recreation. Now this thing has gone through a full restoration and as you can see it looks in top quality today. Now either everything on this, all the parts on this vehicle have either been replaced or refinished to bring it back to its former glory. Now before we dive into the details, a quick word from our sponsor. Let's talk about what's powering this thing. Well, it's a rebuilt factory 4-cylinder engine, and it features upgrades such as an adjustable tensioner and alternator pulleys, a new carburetor, and a new ignition coil. Now, this whole thing is paired to a 4-speed manual transmission, and the powertrain has undergone extensive reconstruction, including the electrical system. All right, guys, so let's take a look at this exterior. So I couldn't think of a more appropriate color scheme for a microbus of this era. You have a Lotus white up top, and on the bottom you have a diamond blue. Very, very nice. They complement each other excellently. Now let's talk about some original components on the front end. Starting off with these headlights. The headlight grille is original. As we look up higher at our wiper arms, those are also original. And let's move back to the side of the car just a little bit further. These side mirrors are also original. However, there has been an addition, a new feature, and that would be the sunshade up top. You can easily roll that back and experience the elements on a bright sunny day. Awesome. I think that was a fantastic choice for this microbus. But with that being said, let's take a look at the inside where there's even more cool features, a little bit newer too. All right guys, let's take a look at the interior where all the magic happens off the bat. Look at the color scheme, look at the wood. I think it matches so greatly. And we have a little bottle opener right here. Just above that, we do have our sink. Now, I would be lying if I said that didn't look like a dog bowl, but it is cool nonetheless. Now, to the left of that, we do have our electric stovetop. So we do have two modern features right here. Now, we do have seating for 7 on the inside with plenty of storage space. And those curtains up there are really nice for if it's too bright or maybe gets too hot and you just kind of want to relax and some privacy. Plenty of curtains for you to choose to do so. Now, we have at our door panels even more storage, but what's unique about this little storage here, it's not hard wood. It moves almost like they've vinyled over rubber in this wooden pattern. I love how they've matched it though to the real wood on the inside. But guys, that was just a glimpse of this vehicle, a quick run through. We hope you enjoyed, and I'd love to hear how you feel about it down below in the comments.